Number 9 asks us to express the following relation as a mapping and then determine the domain and the range. First thing for our mapping, our domain or our x's are going to be here, and our range or our y's are going to be on the right side. Our domain terms are all the x values. So we have a 5, a -2, another 5, a +2, and a 6. We're only going to put down one number of each one. So the 2 5s will just keep as 1 5 on here. So I'll have a 5, a -2, a 2, and a 6. Our ranges are our y terms. So we have a -2, a 3, an 8, a 1, and another 3. So again, just like with the 5, we're only going to put down the 3 one time. So we'll have a -2, a 3, an 8, and a 1. The last step now is to show the relationship between those two. I'll put that in green. So we have our 5 that goes to -2. So I'm going to draw an arrow, -2. -2 goes to 3. 5 also goes to 8. So I'm going to go back to my 5, draw a line down to 8. 2 goes to 1. And 6 goes to 3. Lastly, we want our domain and our range. Our domain and range are actually already mapped out for us. Our domains are going to be all the numbers we listed for the domain. So again, curly brackets, because we're doing a set or a list. 5, -2, 2, and 6. And our range terms are already mapped as well. Curly cues, -2, 3, 8, and 1. For our domain range, just like for our mapping, we're only going to list each number one time at a maximum. So all the repeated numbers are only going to show up once in our domain and our range.